Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Wayna here. I am going to share with you guys some things that I did for the month of September. I don't know if you guys know, but I celebrated my birthday and I just wanted to share with you some of the places I went, some of the food that I ate, and some of the beautiful sights that I saw. So if you're interested, keep watching. And also, I stopped by one of my favorite decor stores and I added it to this video, so make sure you watch all the way until the end. So I flew to Cali, my first flight in the pandemic, and I ended up going to Temecula where a lot of different wineries are. We went to the first one, I think it's called Thornton, and I had some really good chocolate wine there. And then we went to this one called Dofo. And guys, look at this decor. It's just like perfect. And so we were seated, and as we were seated, I was looking at these benches and I was like, hold up. Wait a minute. They used the same exact bench that I used in my spa makeover video. How cool is that? And while waiting on our flights, we ended up playing For the Culture, and yes, the ladies won. These are called Mila fries, and they have chimichurri, arugula, some breaded chicken, as well as some garlic aioli sauce. Oh, they were so good. Next, we went to Pont Winery and we fellowshipped and had some dinner, and then just took in all of the beautiful sights as the sun was going down. I must say it was absolutely breathtaking. Look at just all of the greenery and the sunset. It was like magic. So we hung out there, took some pictures, visited the actual winery where the grapes are grown and stuff like that, and just enjoyed the moment. So I ended up stopping by a World Market store, and I so missed them because we don't have any in South Florida that I know of, for that matter. So I was able to check out their furniture, rugs, pillows, a bunch of stuff that I usually look at online, but I had the opportunity to see it in person, and let me tell you, I was not disappointed, guys. They have some of the nicest things that just kind of make a space feel warm and cozy. I love World Market because they give you a very unique style for your home with a very affordable price. And I actually ordered my mirror that's in my living room from World Market. So I just again wanted to see what they had so that I could kind of get an idea if I'm working on another project or if I want to change some stuff up. But I was not disappointed, guys. I see so much stuff like this chair. I don't know if I would pick this chair out in green or blue, but they both were like amazing. And guys, no, this video is not sponsored by World Market. I just really like their decor, and so I was out there and I figured I'd share what I found. So maybe you guys are looking for something and you see it in this video and it'll help you out. And then on my way back home, during our layover, we ended up stopping in Papados and having lunch, and I cannot tell you how much I love Papados. It was such a treat. You know, come to think of it, we don't have a Papados in Florida. I know they have them in Atlanta and Chicago, but no, not in Florida. So it was really a nice treat. So thank God we had a safe trip. And when I left for California, I was contemplating getting an office space, and I was really trying to evaluate what I should do when I was out there. And it just kept dawning on me that I am not as productive with editing because the computer that I was using was 4 years old and I've edited so many videos, and it was never intended to edit heavy videos. So I treated myself by upgrading my laptop, and it was so necessary because, guys, I can push these videos out a lot faster just by having better tools. So I'm excited to use this, and I'm actually editing this video on this laptop right now, and the process is so much better. I don't have to use hard drives if I edit one video at a time. So that was really a good birthday gift for the channel. So I'm excited, y'all. And that is pretty much the bulk of what I did for my birthday. I did do some other things. I got a chance to visit friends and make memories and just enjoy life. And I am so grateful for it, guys. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I will be making way more videos because I have the technology to do so. It was a struggle, y'all. I started off on my phone to a smaller laptop. Now I got the right laptop, so I am ready. So I will see you guys on the next upload. Don't forget, be you, be beautiful, be chic on a budget, and I'll see you guys on the next upload. Later.